If you're serious about sound, the Monolith XLR balanced audio cable from Monoprice is worth your attention. Designed to deliver exceptional sonic clarity and accurate musical reproduction, this cable elevates your audio setup without compromise. It's not just about connecting devices, it's about preserving every nuance of your music. At the heart of the Monolith XLR cable is advanced construction wrapped in a sleek, nylon braided jacket. This design isn't just for looks, it provides superior durability and tangle resistance, so your cable stays reliable session after session. Plus, the premium build ensures consistent performance, even in demanding environments. What sets this cable apart is its use of 3 different gauges of solid oxygen-free copper conductors. This clever engineering optimizes bass and mid-range frequencies, delivering rich lows and clear mids that bring your music to life. It's a subtle detail with a big impact on sound quality. The connectors are another standout feature. Each is precision machined from die-cast metal and plated with 24K gold. This guarantees the best electrical contact possible, reducing signal loss and corrosion over time. You get a connection that's both secure and built to last. High-frequency sounds get special attention too. The cable uses Litz wire conductors, which enhance treble definition without adding harshness. This means your highs come through crisp and detailed, making instruments and vocals sound natural and engaging. Every conductor inside the cable is individually insulated with a low dielectric constant polyethylene material. This reduces interference and preserves signal purity. Along with double shielding, using both an oxygen-free copper braided shield and aluminum foil, the cable minimizes noise without sacrificing sound quality. The solder joints include silver content, further improving conductivity and durability. This attention to detail in the internal construction ensures that what you hear is as close to the original source as possible, with no unwanted distortion or loss. Users across the United States have praised the Monolith XLR cable for its reliability and sound performance. One reviewer summed it up simply, "Everything I can say is wah." That's the kind of reaction you want from a cable, especially when it's a critical part of your audio chain. Many audio enthusiasts recommend skipping cheaper cables that promise the world but deliver disappointment. Spending a bit more on a Monolith cable means you're investing in a product that truly enhances your listening experience. It's about making smart choices that pay off every time you hit play. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your audio cables, the Monolith XLR is worth a look. It combines premium materials, expert design, and real-world durability to give you clean, transparent sound. Whether you're a professional or a passionate listener, this cable meets high standards without breaking the bank. The build quality alone makes this cable stand out. The nylon braided jacket resists wear and tear, while the connectors fit snugly and securely. No loose connections, no crackling, just pure, uninterrupted audio. It's the kind of reliability that makes a difference in both studio and home setups. Beyond the technical specs, what really matters is how this cable changes your listening experience. You'll notice tighter bass, clearer mids, and sparkling highs that don't fatigue your ears. Music feels more alive, more immediate, and more true to the artist's intent. Investing in the Monolith XLR cable means you're prioritizing your sound quality. It's a choice that pays off every time you listen, whether you're mixing tracks or simply enjoying your favorite album. The difference is subtle but undeniable, giving you confidence in your gear. If that's you, someone who demands the best from their audio setup, this cable fits right in. It's a smart upgrade that enhances your system's transparency and reduces unwanted noise. Plus, the durable construction means it'll keep performing for years to come. Don't let poor cables hold your sound back. The Monolith XLR balanced audio cable offers the kind of performance and build quality that serious listeners appreciate. It's a small change with a big impact, unlocking the full potential of your gear. Ready to hear your music the way it was meant to be heard? Try the Monolith XLR cable when you're ready. It's a straightforward way to improve your audio chain without fuss or guesswork. Clearer sound, better durability, and trusted materials all come together in one cable. In a market crowded with options, Monoprice Monolith stands out for its focus on quality and value. This cable isn't about flashy claims, it's about delivering real improvements you can hear. If you want a reliable connection that enhances your sound, this is a solid choice. Make yourself a favor and invest in a cable that respects your music. The Monolith XLR balanced audio cable brings together expert craftsmanship and thoughtful design. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly transforms your listening sessions into something special. In the end, what you get is peace of mind and superior sound quality. No signal loss, no distortion, just pure, transparent audio that does justice to your equipment. Worth a look if you're serious about sound and ready to upgrade your cables.